I am Amelita. I'm 45 years old, married. I have 3 children. There are 2 girls and 1 boy. Their ages are 21 years old girl, 18 years old girl, and 17 years old boy. I have finished the diploma in professional education at University of Southern Philippines Foundation here in Lahore City. Then for my local work experience within 2 years and 8 months are taking care of a baby, 3 months old, cook a Filipino foods, and doing a household chores. To my future employer, you can trust me because I am honest, trustworthy, and reliable person and is dedicated to my work as a household worker and taking care for the children.